Many years ago, I was interested in building web application, but I couldn't see much resources online to help me. These days, there are infinite amount of resources to guide anyone who is interested in becoming a software engineer or whatever you want to learn. But what mistakes most beginners make, or mistake that most beginners make, is spending so much time with resources or learning and learning infinitely, which is what we call tutorial hell. Spending so much time to learn and learn without actually putting the knowledge to good use is where a lot of beginners make mistakes. It's not about accumulating so much knowledge, but by having something to show for it. Let's say you spend 24 hours or whatever hours you spend learning something new. You don't go looking for the next tutorial. You want to start building something what you have learned. If you have learned about React.js or JavaScript, for example, you don't start looking for the next JavaScript tutorial. The little you've learned, try to come up with something. If you learned about Flexbox, you don't start looking for the next Flexbox tutorial. Try to build some couple of grid and apply some Flexbox design. If you do this and do it well, it will really guide you. I share a lot of tips and tricks or insights on how to become a good software engineer here. If you're interested in more of my video, click the follow button. Peace out.